Hi, I'm Chef Peyton. This is Chef Brian. Today on Tasty Tiger, we will be making stir fry.
Hold on. So,
Brian.
I'm sorry. Okay. So we pre-made our rice before this, so it's already cooked.
How much?
We did 2 cups, and that totals out to 4 cups. Then we also pre-cut our onions. We did half an onion, and we did a small dice. And we minced our garlic and just like chopped up our broccoli.
All right, so now we have Angus beef. We did 1 pound, and I had it finely cut. And we did it thin because it's easier to cook and takes less time.
We have to oil our pan so it doesn't stick.
Okay, do you want
Oh, while she does that, I'm gonna cut the carrots. I'm gonna do a julienne cut. So, you cut the carrot.
All right, and then, so we have 3 eggs and 1/2 of an onion and a cup of broccoli and 3 cloves of garlic and 1/2 stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, which is in the pan, and 1 cup of peas. All right. What you're doing.
So the julienne cut is when you cut the carrot in half and then cut it into longer strips. We're gonna add the vegetables in with the beef later. We're just gonna let the beef cook for a little longer because it takes longer.
And once we have the beef all cooked, we'll add in our soy sauce and mix all the veggies together.
Stir fry originated from China. I'll say it again. Okay. Stir fry originated from China. You can use different types of meat when making stir fry. Oh, okay.
No.
You can just put, I can't cut through. Okay.
Oh, you did the carrot. Did you tell me how we cut it?
Yeah. We also have peas here.
I do.
Okay.
How much soy sauce do we have?
1 tablespoon. We have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. It's not soy sauce. Sesame oil. So we have sesame oil. Okay. We have some sesame oil. Okay. Are you done?
No.
Okay,
Really
what should I
hot.
do? I'm gonna crack the eggs.
Serious.
We're doing 3 eggs. Okay. 1.
This is so bad. It really is.
Okay, you can start adding the vegetables.
First, I'm gonna add sesame oil.
Soy sauce. Oh. I'm gonna whisk the eggs.
And now that we have the sesame oil in, I will be adding the vegetables.
Okay. Should I add the egg? And we're gonna add the egg. So she's just rapidly stirring the soy sauce or the stir fry. What?
Noodles.
Oh, you can also add romaine noodles instead of rice. But we prefer rice.
How much talk? All right, now Ryan will be adding the rice. How much?
And the butter.
How much?
2 tablespoons. Maybe we should have covered first. Me and my mom made this for my dad. Oh my god. Me and my okay. Totally soon. Hold on. Me and my scratch that. We're not saying that. It's done. Now we're gonna use a square plate to plate it. Okay, that was Chef Ryan and Chef Peyton on the Tasty Tiger. Tune in for next week.